Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Shut up.
Why?
Alexia, shut up.
What?
That is disrespectful. Shut up.
Bro, what you...
Yeah.
Bro,
You
it was
tell
a
me-
friendly shut up. I always do
Personally,
that.
I don't take that. That's disrespectful. You need to either break up or leave him. That is so rude.
What?
Dead ass. That's
He's
kind of rude.
exactly. He's disrespecting
What do you...
me.
You're agreeing with her? What do you... We always...
Now
say
he's
like that.
yelling at you. Now he's yelling at you, bro. I can't.
Whoa.
Why would I? This
This
is an
is why-
abusive relationship.
Wow. Now I think about it.
Yes.
Are you serious right... Bro.
Why would you?
Why are
treat
you
me like
yelling at
this?
her?
Alright.
What did I do?
This is why I
to
don't
you?
like when she's around, see?
Now he's trying to
Now,
break up the
now he
friendship.
doesn't like me.